Hey guys, welcome. Hey, my name is Do with Dodson Designs. I am a furniture artist and also an online business coach. But today I want to show you how you can remove veneer from those beautiful old pieces that you're crashing over, and you go and you find them and you're like, I can't buy this. It's too much. It's too much work. Really, it's a little more simple than you think. Let me get my tools together and let me show you how you can easily remove that veneer. So here I have a drawer that has severe veneer damage to the point that it has to be removed. If you have a small little veneer damage area, typically you can remove the veneer and then use a wood filler to cover it up, sand it, then you're painting ready to go. With something that has this much veneer on it, you're gonna have to remove it. And I found the easiest way and the least messiest way is actually to use a heat gun. And I like to use the Wagner. This is my heat gun of choice. And then I use a simple paint scraper. And what I'll do is take my heat gun and I'll actually set it directly on top of the veneer, and I will let it burn. And actually, yes, it will burn because it gets so hot. If you can see how hot this is, see how red that tip is? It gets so hot that it burns down through the varnish, into the wood, and then to the glue that holds that on. And if you hold this there long enough, it will heat that glue up and reactivate it and cause it to break down. And then you can take your paint scraper and then you can remove it fairly easy. Some places may take a little more work, but if you're just steady and you're consistent with it, I typically like to work with the grain of removing the veneer. It works easier and I do it in strips. So I'm gonna start with this right here. Now let it sit there for a while. You'll notice that it's bubbling. You'll see the varnish kind of bubble up. And then you start at one corner and you'll gradually start working a little at a time, removing that. It takes a little elbow work, but it's really worth it. Most of these old pieces have beautiful wood underneath all that veneer. And at that point, if the wood is pretty enough, you could actually sand it down and restain it, or you can paint over it. It's totally up to you. Yeah, that's victory right there. So you see, don't let a little veneer stand in your way of completing your projects. Hey, if you like this project, I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just hit the little subscribe button and hit the little bell that will send you a reminder every time I release a new video. And if you're into painting, furniture, and makeovers, Would love for you to check out the Art of Painting Furniture, which is an online subscription group where I house all my video tutorials only to my special people in the group. Also, I'm an online business coach for creatives, and I help them take what they learn and what they know and create multiple revenue streams in their business. So I'd love you to come check me out. Thanks for joining today, guys. Happy painting.